Welcome students. Today's topic is balancing of equation. Now the question is, what is chemical equation? Why it is necessary to balance it? So here all answers for those questions are given. First of all, what is a chemical equation? A chemical equation is a symbolic representation of any chemical reaction. And chemical reaction is that change which occurs around us. Now, why to balance a chemical reaction? The answer for this is to obey law of conservation of mass. To obey law of conservation of mass. See, if a reactant and product both mass must be equal to each other, then only it is said that chemical reaction is obeying law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass says that total mass of a reactant must be equal to total mass of product in any chemical reaction. So this is our law of conservation of mass. To obey law of conservation of mass, a chemical reaction is balanced. Now another is how to balance. For balancing a reaction, there are many methods like hit and trial method, partial equation method, ion electron method, algebraic method, oxidation number method. So here we are discussing the hit and trial method. This is the easiest method to balance any chemical equation. So here the method is, see, the name itself says that hit any number just for the trial and to balance any equation. See, when we are hitting any number or multiplying that equation by any number, we didn't know that whether the reaction will be balanced or not. Hit and trial method. Now let us understand it by taking any example. The example here is when potassium oxide reacts with water molecule, it gives us potassium hydroxide. Now the question is how to balance. See here, this reaction is imbalanced. Potassium is 2 here and in product potassium is only 1. Hydrogen is 2, hydrogen is 1. Oxygen is 2, oxygen is 1. So this is imbalanced reaction. Now to obey the law of conservation of mass, we have to balance this equation. Now see, the simplest method or the way, first write all the elements present in it. See, element is potassium, then oxygen and hydrogen. How many potassiums are present here? In reactant, 2 potassium is present. Now see here, use first pencil because we have to erase it. हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ ट्राई कर रहे हैं. ट्राई करते वक्त हमको ये नहीं मालूम होता है कि क्या ये हमारा ट्रायल सही है, इसीलिए हमको बार बार नंबर हिट करना पड़ता है और ट्राई करना पड़ता है. इसीलिए इस मेथड को हम कहते हैं हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड, क्योंकि हमको बार बार ट्राई करना है. सो बेटर टू यूज़ पेंसिल हियर. पोटेशियम इन रिएक्टेंट इज हाउ मेनी? 2. In product it is 1. Then in oxygen in reactant is 2 and in product it is 1. Hydrogen here is 2 and hydrogen here is 1. Now how to balance it? Now see here, to balance it what we will see, potassium here is 2. हम क्या करें कि यहाँ पर भी पोटेशियम 2 हो जाए. अब हम यहाँ पर तो नहीं लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज इफ़ वी आर राइटिंग 2 हियर द केमिकल फार्मूला विल बी चेंज. तो हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल बी राइटिंग 2 हियर. लिसन इट अगेन. वी विल नॉट राइट एनी नंबर बिलो. हमको कोई सा भी नंबर ऐड करना है वो हम जस्ट उस मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला के साथ ऐड करेंगे. नाउ सी व्हाई वी आर डूइंग इट हियर. एक बार हमने यहाँ 2 लिखा तो क्या हुआ, द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस 2 इज दैट पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2. तो दिस बिकम्स KOH and KOH. So now 2 potassium is there, it is balanced. Now this becomes your 2. Then we are going for oxygen. Oxygen in reactant is 2. Now see, when KOH is multiplied by 2, this oxygen also becomes 2. Then the turn is of hydrogen. Hydrogen is 2 here. See, on multiplying KOH by 2, this hydrogen also becomes 2. So our reaction is balanced. Now we can write it by pen. This is our balanced equation. Okay. So now I am giving you one more example here. SO2 plus O2, it will give us SO3. Now again we will write number of elements. S, how many are present in product and reactant? Here it is 1, here it is 1, and product also it is 1. Now oxygen is how many? Oxygen is 4. Oxygen is 4, and in product oxygen is 3. Now how to balance it? Now see here, sulfur is balanced. Sulfur both side is 1 here, and in product both side is 1 1. Now how to balance this oxygen? Oxygen here is 4. Now 4 is here and 3 is here. Now see here, oxygen is 4 and here it is 3. Now how to balance it? Now see, we will again use pencil here first. Sulfur is 1 1. Okay, oxygen is 4. Now we will multiply this by 2. This SO2 we will multiply it by 2. Now see what happens. Sulfur becomes 2 in reactant and product it is 1. So what we will do? We will write 2 here, not here. We will write 2 here. Now sulfur is balanced. Sulfur is okay. Now oxygen how many becomes? 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6. So your oxygen becomes 6. Now here also oxygen becomes our 6. See beta, this is our rough work. This is our rough work. This is the fair work. Na? Similarly we are doing it. Now see, once it is balanced you can make it fair. 2SO2 will, when react with O2, it will give you 2SO3. Thank you for watching this video.